Righto, Rhinos, just I thought it would be a good idea today just to go through this and make sure that everybody is 100% clear, because I know a few people have been away and maybe someone's been at a music lesson, and before you know it, only half the group understands what's going on. So with addition, a couple of things that you probably know, but it should be really, really straight. So if you're working in your maths book, it should be one number per box and the decimal point should line up. And in fact, you can put it in straight away because it doesn't change. Can you please remember to start in the top right-hand corner? That is super important. So whether it's addition or subtraction, you need to be in the top right-hand corner. So if you're adding, you'll need to carry. Can we keep that in mind? Adding is, when we're doing addition, we carry, and when we subtract, we borrow. So two key words: carry for addition and borrow for subtraction. Right, so 7 plus 5 plus 6 equals 18. 7 and 5 is 12, and 6 is 18. Whenever we have a two-digit number, this is the number we write down, and this is the number we carry, always. Let's have a look. So it's 18 hundredths, because we're in the hundredths column. So I can write down 18 with the 8 hundredths there, and then this 10 hundredths is actually, if you think about it, 10 hundredths is actually the same as 1/10. So the 1 can go over here because we're talking about tenths now. So it was 18 hundredths. In 18 hundredths there is 1/10 and 8 hundredths. So this is why the tenth is now over here. So 1/10 and 4/10 and 3/10 and 4/10 is 12 tenths. You can put down the 2/10, and 10 tenths is actually the same as 1 unit. So I'll put the 1 unit over here, and I'll put a plus next to it because it reminds me to add it. So 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 3 is 13. So 3 in 13 is 3 units. The 1 in 13 is a 10. It's in the tens column now. 1 and 4 is 5, and 2 is 7, and 1 is 8. You should be able to estimate that 40 plus 30 plus 10 is roughly 80. So my answer is correct. Let's estimate here. 30 plus 60 is 90, plus 100. My answer needs to be roughly 190. Top right hand corner. We'll do this one a little bit quicker. Decimal point, everything's nice and straight. 4 and 2 is 6, and 3 is 9. No carrying there, no carrying. Just 9 hundredths. 3 and 7 is 10, and 8 is 18. So it's 8 tenths and 1 unit. 1 and 9 is 10, and 7 is 17. 7 units in 17 and 1/10. Put the 10 over here. 1 and 2 is 3, and 6 is 9, and 9 is 18. Put down the 8. There's nowhere for this one to go. You can't carry it anywhere because we're at the end of the sum. Can you just check that our estimate 2 is similar to our answer? I said we needed to be around 190, and we are. Can you please watch it again if you're unsure? And I'm going to leave you a couple of questions to do, a couple of addition ones for you to do.